It may be the largest child wrongful death settlement in U.S. history. IKEA has been ordered to pay $46 million to the family of a toddler who was killed when a dresser from the Swedish furniture store toppled over on the boy, crushing him. The dresser was eventually recalled because of the tipping hazard, but lawyers for the family argued successfully that IKEA never warned them about the danger or the recall. You would like to think manufacturers and retailers always put consumer safety first when it comes to their products, but sadly that's not always the case. So if you or a loved one is injured or worse by a defective or dangerous product, whether it's a piece of furniture, an automobile, or anything else, you need a legal team that's achieved exceptional results in Florida and across the U.S. You need Murray-Guari trial attorneys. Handling dangerous and defective product cases is a very specialized legal area, requiring specific skills. It's not always easy to recognize or prove a product is defective, and there are a number of defendants, from manufacturer and distributor to retailer and repair center, who will be looking to pass the buck on liability. Those parties will all be well protected legally if disaster strikes, and you should be too. Contact Murray-Guari trial attorneys to learn more about your rights.